What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Sorry about yesterday, didn't make any videos. I was out for I think 9 hours in the end sorting out like getting this stuff over from London all the way to this new place because I'm not living in London anymore. Been there my whole life, but it's just like rent is way too much, so leaving London, having a much easier life, no struggles. So yeah, of course, I told you guys in the last video that it's all about the weekly close for me. And going off last week, we know, I was saying it even before the last week's candle closed, I was saying this is a shooting star. If it closes like this is a very bearish sign. And so what did I say when we went up here? I said that usually, so I hope everyone's been listening to the channel and watching the videos back twice if they hadn't understand the video. But yeah, what I was saying here is that usually, actually, the reason why I'm looking at the weekly candle close is because the candle usually goes the opposite direction first. And what happened with this candle when I opened? Everyone all over Twitter, oh, bullish, bullish, bullish. And then literally we went the opposite direction first, and then we actually go the way we want to. And now, if it closes as is, you got another... Ooh. Sorry guys. We've got another shooting star here, so 2 shooting stars in a row. Very, very, very negative this weekly chart, to be honest guys. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. So there you go, so negative over here, very big red candle. We can't call it a bearish engulfing because it's not engulfing a apologies guys, oh my god, can't call it a bearish engulfing because it's not engulfing a green candle. It has to engulf a green candle, so that's why we can't call it that. You didn't get no bullish cross with the 55 and the 20. You were above the 55. You couldn't hold it as support, creating a fake out, basically meaning that we're respecting this as a double brick wall. What should have happened when we lost this support is we should have held the 20 as support for continuation of our uptrend. You lost the 20 on the daily time frame. Very negative. Of course, what's holding us up and what I said that we should be doing is coming down to retest this area. I would like this wick retested. This is what we've been saying on the channel for a long while now. We have been waiting for the retest of 39k. Are we going to get it, or is this such a harsh drop with a lot of momentum, meaning that the momentum hasn't died out yet, as you can see, because this is the largest candle yesterday. And so what is going to go on next? Well, first of all, we need to stay above this support, and this support is still red on this chart. I think on another chart screen, doesn't matter, but we need to see this resistance flipped into support, something that we have not seen yet. What the EMAs are telling us is that you've lost it and now you should continue your downtrend. You had a fake out a double brick wall, so it's still a double brick wall. Completely cover this with your finger or your thumb. If you just put your thumb on the screen and completely cover this, and you'll see that you actually never broke this line. So basically never broke this line. You're holding it as resistance with a double top. Now we've been pushed below this support, making lower lows as well as the 20 EMA. So we are in targets to the downside. Let's go take a look at a different Bitcoin chart. So this is the OG chart. This is the chart we always do our work on. And if you remember in the previous video, if we can get rid of this, I was telling you guys what have I been noticing over the last month. People don't want to believe me, but it's literally been proved right. I've proved you guys right. So what has happened over the last month that I've told you? We keep going to the 1.272 and failing to go higher, getting below the 1 and reversing the trend completely. And people just don't want to believe me. But look guys, I've been noticing it. I'm trying to tell you guys, and look what's happened. When we break above the 1, our target is the 1618. That is why we draw the line, because I've been telling you over the past week, trading is all about validations and invalidations. When you got above this line, you validated the 1618. When you lost this, you invalidated it. And that's why I've been telling you guys that maybe we only come to the 1.272, and that's exactly what's happened. So if it's the same for the upside, it must be the same for the downside. Let's see at what moment does this 1.272 thing get invalidated, because you can see here that actually gone below the 1.272. Your target is the 1618. It's nice to see. Actually, I didn't even put this alert with the target. That alert was just there anyway, so it's cool to see that. So yeah, you can see our alert and our technical target, the 1618, is lining up nicely with these previous wicks. Something we've been saying on the channel for so long, that we want these to be retested. Are we now going to get it? Well, you can see we've come out very harsh. I would like a pullback. That pullback for me needs to stay below 41.6k. If we can stay below the 1, then actually we will continue down to this 1618. If we can now get above the 1, confirm our support, you will not go down to here. that will be it. If you can confirm this as support, and by the time that happens, these EMAs would have come down a bit more, wherever they land. For me, if you turn 41.5 or 41.6k into support, you will not see 39k. If that can hold a support, remember guys, the moment you get above it and confirm it as support, you invalidate further downside. But then if you lose it, confirm it as resistance, you will continue. So that's why we say it's all about validations and invalidations, because there's multiple fake outs that may not be a fake out in the end. Do you see what I mean? Like, something that was valid can get invalidated, then validated, can keep going back and forth. It's ridiculous, but that's just how it is. Now you've got a 4-hour bearish cross, so that's of course negative. If you do see the 12 crossing the 200, it's like a precursor to the fact that the 20 might come under the 200, and if that happens, then maybe the 50 comes under the 200. Anyway, either way, the 200 is basically saying as long as I'm above it, we should be buying. And actually you should have taken out this high, but you didn't. Why? Because we were retracing to this high, which was your 1 level, and we got above it and we went to the 1.272 and then closed below that level and then continued down. Something that we literally planned out for on the channel and in my Discord group chat. If you're interested in the group chat or learning through the course or the mentorship, then message me on my Twitter. It is the pinned post. It's the first post. Just comment up below and I'll get you started ASAP. This week we've just been busy. Of course, I'm moving into the new house, and that's why I haven't been able to do many trades. But as soon as I'm settled, I got all my office set up. I'll make a video of me making the office, and yeah, once I'm settled and everything's done, then of course back to trading in the group chat. But yeah, everything that's been happening with Bitcoin right now is not unexpected for us. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, so we can get to 2k subs by the end of this month. I definitely know that we can do it. Thank you guys for being the great community, and let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen next. Will we roll over and continue to our 1618 target, or is Bitcoin now going to come up and actually break above this, confirm it as support, and start to retrace back higher? Let's see what the chart holds. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.